Welcome back to Team Building Thursdays. I'm Lakeisha Woodard, Learning and Development Manager for Corehesion Development Group. Today we're going to talk about how your personal strengths and motivators can improve your time management skills to maximize your productivity. As a unique individual, you have personal strengths that you can leverage to achieve greater success. You want to identify your personal strengths so you can effectively capitalize on them, become more productive throughout the day, and make continued progress in your pursuit of improved time management. A good description of your strengths includes a list of personal qualities, attributes, and inherent assets that contribute to your effectiveness in your professional life. If you leverage your strengths, you can maximize your productivity. To identify your personal strengths, make a comprehensive list of the qualities and attributes that you have. Include on your list qualities and assets that others have praised you for in the past, skills or abilities that have served you professionally, assets that served you well during your education, qualities that may contribute to your personal life even if they don't relate to your career, and attributes that you haven't had a chance to use in the workplace. Once you identify your personal strengths, next is to identify your personal motivators. Each person has personal motivators that influence how energetic they feel and how productive they are throughout the day. Some people are motivated by the pressing deadlines forced upon them. Other people motivate themselves by creating artificial deadlines through procrastination. Different motivators work for different people. Motivators are the factors that provide people with the incentive and drive to act based on what's important to them. Motivators can stem internally within a person, which is shaped by their personality and worldview. On the other hand, motivators can stem from external forces, such as your employer, your family, or peer group. If you're not sure what your motivators are, begin by answering the following questions. What do I hope to gain from working hard? Why does it matter to me that I perform well at work? Who are the people who have expectations for my behavior? And how do I plan to benefit from improving my use of time and becoming more productive? By identifying the motivators that work for you, you can leverage these factors and use them to your benefit as you improve your use of time and work. For more information on time management training, visit corehesiondevelopmentgroup.com/training. In the meantime, let us know in the comments below one personal strength and one personal motivator you will use as a tool to become more productive. We'll see you next time.